Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix Roblox error while updating worn items. You're still not being able to update your avatar correctly, so I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, you have to come out of the Roblox app and go to browser, and you just need to go to in roblox.com, and once you're here, so you just need to tap on this menu button over here and go to avatar. Avatar editor doesn't open, you just need to tap on this double A over here and tap on this request website, desktop website. And if you're on PC, you can directly go to this avatar editor. Roblox avatar is not being able to update, then you just need to tap on this redraw option here. Try this clicking on it if your avatar one item updates or not. And if it doesn't update, you can do one thing here. So many people are facing this error. So after doing this, their problem has been solved by doing this. You just need to tap on this head and body, go to classic face and choose any of the face. Once you choose any of the face, classic face, your avatar will be update automatically without any error. And you can choose any classic face. By choosing classic face, your error will be disappear and your avatar will be updated. So with the one item. So hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.